Tripura Public Service Commission ni bisingtui kaisa Election Department Govt.of Tripura job vacant notification khaika advertisement number 08/2023 post nimung Election Inspector Group C non-gazetted scale of payment to 5,700 nisini 24,000 Cell 1 level 10 basic pay 34,700 nisini singnai educational qualification bachelor degree je kuno recognized university ni uimano boni knowledge tongane nangnai Bengali tei kokborok UR category ni bangui 6ta tongo 2ta buriro ni bangui reserve HC kaisa tongo ST 9ta reserve 3ta tongo buriro ni bangui jotoi 16ta post vacant tongo age limit 18 nisini 40 বছর ST HC ni bangui 45 years relaxation khaijaknai last date of application submission 28/7/2023 online no website number rojak abo nerok screen no naimano bureau report Tripura Daily News